First thing first, what is a jade roller? It is a facial massage tool that is made from jade stone and has a lot of healing properties. It is cool to the surface and helps in reducing puffiness. Jade rolling is one of the best kept secret in the skincare routine. So let me tell you the steps of using the jade roller. Step 1. Wash that beautiful face of yours. You need a clean face before you jade roll. Step 2. Moisturize. I like to use Inveda's Alpha Arbutin 2% with hyaluronic acid as it adds even more moisture. But if it doesn't work for your skin, you can use the moisturizer you like best. Step 3. Roll it out. Gently starting from the neck, move the large roller in an upward and outward motion. From the center of the face, repeat the same motion 3 times on your jawline, lower cheek, and cheekbones. Use the small roller for your under eye. Then continue with the large roller to end on your forehead. So here comes the benefits of jade rolling. It reduces puffiness, fine lines and wrinkles. It eliminates toxins, boosts collagen and promotes radiant skin. It also relaxes face muscles. And there are countless other benefits of jade rolling. Let me know your experience in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy rolling! Oh wait, there are few things you need to keep in mind. Number 1, be patient. Number 2, avoid the tool if you have acne, botox or fillers.